Shandong Gelin Town Pet Product Co. Limited was established in 2020, aimed to create a better life for cats. It is a high-tech factory focusing on the production, research, and development of plant-based cat litter. Our factory has advanced production equipment, professional R&D teams, and standardized workshop. The production workshop covers an area of about 16,000 square meters, with an annual production capacity of 7,000 tons. In the past few years, we devoted to developing and producing the mid to high-end cat litter for our customers. They are welcomed in EU, America, Australia and Asia, and we had been approved by BSCI, ISO 9001, SGS, CTI. Keep paying great attention to the cooperative relationship with customers and devoting to establishing a sustainable win-win cooperation with you. At the same time, we will strictly fulfill our social responsibilities and minimizes environmental problems in the process of product production and management. Environment first, quality first, customer first, is always our business philosophy.